Big or the happy dog. Or just a happy, happy, happy dog. Big, happy guy. Or just a happy, happy, happy guy. Or just a look at this. Big or the happy dog. Or just a happy,
I get you. Oh, just a happy.
I don't think he's happy. Let him in.
What are you doing?
You want to ride?
What are you doing, good boy?
Don't roll him over.
Oh, there's another one. His buddy. There's two of them. Hey, look at them.
Are they behind you now?
Yeah. That's not the guy. That's not them. That's not our owner. Stop.
Oh, there's this one dog on TikTok. The lady films him. They live somewhere like this, you know, out in nowhere. And he lives between like 2 or 3 houses. And he'll like just come by. Sometimes he's older now, so he'll like stay the night and leave first thing in the morning. And if you don't let him in, he'll like sit out there and howl. The lady said she used to contact his owner, but the owner, I guess, she was very polite in how she said it, but you could tell the owner just wasn't very friendly, I guess. Like, whatever, dog does what it wants kind of thing, you know?
There's another video about the cat. The cat knows how to ring the doorbell camera.
Yeah, like I saw one where the cat ran a stink don't shit. Like, a stink don't bite.
Right?
Well, this one knew, like,
You knew if you run it, they'd come.
they'd come and let him in. He figured it out. You gotta watch these hilltops. People drive on the other side. They might take both lanes. Get away from the side. You gotta watch it.
Out here in the country, you never know if they're going to be driving a tractor either. Taking up more room than the normal amount.
Yeah, the same thing with me. That's why I wear mine all crazy.
I got it 'cause it's cute, but like, especially with the gravel right now, it's shaking it off my head. Sorry, I brought a scrunchie too. I could never live this